Oh yeah, guys, coming back, by the look of it, I saw there's a crack on the turbo. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but right here there's a crack right here. You can clearly see here a crack on the turbo coming here, and from inside I put some lube in it, but you can see the crack inside the turbo. There's a crack, guys. So this turbo was finished anyways. There shouldn't be no crack on the turbo. Yep, there was a crack right here. You clearly see it. You clearly see a crack here. So that turbo was done. Good thing that I replaced it. And I can see it's made from Honeywell's. I don't think this should be original, but I don't see no Fomoko. I see Ford right here, so yeah, if you see Ford, I mean it's original right here. So good thing that we did that, replace this turbo, guys. So one more to go, but from the look of it, from replacing the first one, I could say that I give it at, you take your time, you know, you're not in a hurry. Took maybe 2 hours, 1 hour, 2 hours to take the first one, but the back one is another story, guys. The back one, I have to take a lot of parts to get to it. Right here it is. So I'm gonna do this, show you guys, and continue the setup, how to replace the turbo, guys. Like and subscribe, comment. I want to hear what you guys have to say, and it'll be greatly appreciated if you support me, because I do a lot of this videos to show you guys how to do it. I'm a specialist Ford, working now for maybe 20 years as a technician. I work mostly only pretty much on Fords, so I like the make. All right, see you again, guys.